this is Tanya Rowling. Welcome to Tanya Tina's Maths. In this channel, you can find me teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths, NCERT Syllabus, and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths, NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Hey guys, today we are going to be doing exercise 2.3, first question and the second subdivision. Okay, so in the previous video we solved the first subdivision, which was really easy, and in this video we are going to be solving the second subdivision. Okay, now let's read the question. So the question is, divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Okay, so here also we are going to be dividing the polynomial, that is p of x and g of x, and we should find the quotient and remainder. Okay, in the question itself, I mean the subdivision itself, they just give the p of x value and the g of x value. So now let's see that. Okay, so the second subdivision is p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and the g of x is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, so this is the second subdivision. So in this subdivision, as you guys can see, we have certain values right over here. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to be writing the p of x value inside this, okay, inside the division. So let's write x power 4, and here we have x power 4, and but we don't have cube value. So if you don't have a cube value, we are supposed to write plus 0. Okay, why? Because that is the rule. So if we don't have a value, if after 4 we are supposed to write cube, after cube we are supposed to write square. Am I right? So let me write square, that is 3x square plus 4x, and then at last the constant term. Okay, I just wrote it like this. Okay, let me just extend the line. So okay, so now we got x power 4 plus 0 minus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. So this is the value. So here what I did is, here we don't have a cube value for x, so I just put 0. Why? Because this is the rule, and I'm going to be writing x square plus 1 minus x. So here you guys can notice something, that here it is in the mixed form. That means first we are supposed to write x square, okay, that is correct, and then we are supposed to write minus x, and at last we are supposed to write constant term. Why? Because this is the rule. So please make sure that you guys read the question very well. Why? Because most of the people would commit mistake in this. Okay, so first we are supposed to write the square term, and then 1, and after that the constant term. Okay, so we are going to be writing this right over here. So it is x square minus x minus, so I mean plus 1. Okay, so I just wrote it like this. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be taking this x4. So first term is x4, am I right? X power 4. So I'm going to be taking this value, that is x power 4, and here the first value, that is x square. So let me just take it. So I just took x power 4 and x square. Okay, so here I am going to be cancelling x power square. Here also I am going to be cancelling the x power square. Then we get x square. How? So here we have 4, right? So we have power 4. So here I cancel square. That means in 4 numbers I just cancel the square, and 2 balance. Okay, so 2 square is balance. So I wrote x square. So here I cancel the x and x square. Here also I cancelled the x square. Still we have 2x square. So that is x square. Okay, so we got this one. I hope you guys understood this. Why? Because this is a common thing. Okay, so x square. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be writing the x square right over here. So I wrote x squared. Now we are going to be multiplying it. For multiplying it, I'm writing. So we should multiply this and this one. Okay, so now let's multiply it. So x square into x square. What is x square into x square? That is x power 4. Am I right? 2 plus 2 is 4. So it is x power 4. X power 4. And then minus x into x square. So minus in plus into minus is minus, and x into x square is x cube. Why? Because if x is like this means the power is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So it is minus x cube. So we don't have a minus x cube value right over here. So we took 0. Under that we can just write it. Okay. So that is minus x cube. Okay. So we wrote this, and then now what I am going to do is I am going to multiply it with 1 and x square. So 1 into x square is x square. Am I right? So I am going to be writing plus x square. So it is plus x square. Okay, now let's add it or minus it. Okay, subtract it. So here, as you guys know, we have plus, and here we have minus. Here also we have plus. So we should convert into the minus term. So here we have plus, and we shall change plus, from plus we shall change it to minus. We shall convert into minus, and from minus we shall convert into plus, and from plus we shall convert into minus. Okay. So here it is. So here the x power 4 has got a new sign, that is minus, and x cube has got a new sign, that is plus, and x square has a new sign, that is minus. Okay. So we are supposed to do it. This is a common thing. Okay, and that too, this is a rule. So here x power 4 has a new value, that is new sign, that is minus. So minus x power 4 plus x power 4 is 0. So we shall just cancel it. Okay, so cancel it, and then here it is minus x cube. So it has got a new sign, that is plus. Am I right? So plus into plus is of course plus, and plus x cube into plus 0 is plus x cube. So we shall write x cube right over here. Okay. So now here the x square has got a new sign, that is minus. So minus x square and minus 3x square is minus 4x square. So why did we write that? So minus into minus is plus. We shall write that plus at first, and then sorry. So first let's find it. So here minus into minus is plus. Am I right? So here x square, it doesn't have a coefficient. So what we write is, we take 1 as its coefficient. So minus into minus is plus. That means 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So we shall write 4, and then x square as it is. Okay, x square. And here the greatest number. So we should find the greatest number. So the greatest number has minus sign. So the greatest number here, it is 3. So it has a minus sign, so we shall write minus. Okay, now it is minus 4x squared. Okay, now let's take this value down here. Don't need to write this. Why? Because for your understanding I am just drawing this. Okay, so now it is plus 4x. Now let's take this value down here, that is plus 4x. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to be taking the first term, that is x cube, and we are going to be taking x square. Okay, so here the first term we are going to be taking x square, and here we are going to be taking this first term, that is x cube. We are going to be dividing it. Why? Because how we did in the previous one. Okay, so here I am taking x cube divided by x square. So I took this x cube and x square. So here x square is cancelled, and here also the x square is cancelled. To balance we have x power 1. So no need to write x power 1. Why? Because if you write x simply like this, then it is then the power is 1. Okay, so how? So totally we had x cube, right? We are supposed to cancel square. So when I cancel square, we got 1. So the so the value is x. Why? Because the x power is 1. So that's why I didn't write 1. Okay. So what I am going to do is, I am going to be writing the x right over here. Now it is, so it is plus x. It has a value plus. Okay, so plus x. So now we are going to be multiplying this and this one. Okay, how we did it in the previous step. So x into x square is x cube. So here we have square, and here we have 1. That means square plus 1 is cube. Am I right? So I am going to be writing x cube. Okay, and then so minus x plus into plus x is, so here plus is there, plus into minus is minus, so we shall write the minus first. Plus into minus is minus, and x into x is x square, so we shall write the x square down right over there. Why? Because under the x square only we are supposed to write it. Okay, so and the next one is 1, so 1 into x is 1x. So instead of writing 1x, you can just write x. Why? Because the x value is of course 1. So now it's time to change the signs. So here we have plus, so when we just convert it, it changes into minus, and here it is minus, that means it is plus right over here. Here it is plus, then it changes into minus. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we shall write, so here x cube has a new sign, that is minus, so minus x cube plus x cube is 0, so we can just cancel it. So here the x square has got a new sign, that is plus, am I right? So plus x square and minus 4x square. So here as you guys can see, plus into minus is minus, so we are going to be minus, we are going to minus 4 minus 1. Why? Because if the x square is not having a value, then the value coefficient is 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Why did I take minus? Why? Because plus and minus is minus, so we are supposed to subtract it. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and we shall write the x square as it is, and here we are going to be writing the greatest number symbol. So here what is the greatest number? So the greatest number is minus 4, so the 4 has a sign that is minus, so we are going to be taking minus, and then we are going to be doing this one. So here x has a new sign, that is minus, so it is minus x and plus 4x. So plus and minus is minus, so here also we are going to be subtracting this. So plus and minus is minus, that means 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is 3, and then we are going to be taking x as it is, and here we should take the greatest number sign. So here the greatest number is 4, so the 4 has a sign, that is plus, so I am writing the plus as it is. So now we got minus 3x square plus 3x, and then here we have plus 5, am I right? So I am going to be taking the plus 5 down right over here. Okay, so I am going to be taking it plus 5. Okay, so now we got minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5. Okay, so now we're going to be taking the first term, and we are going to be taking the first term right over here. So it is minus 3x square by x square. So we shall cancel this x square, and here also we shall cancel this x square. So now it is minus 3. Why? Because we cancelled it. So we got minus 3. So we are going to be writing minus 3 right over here, and then now we are going to be multiplying it. So first let's multiply the symbol. Minus into plus is minus, so we shall write the minus, and then 3 into x square is 3x square. So let us write 3x square. So we are supposed to write it down right over here. Why? Because here we have x square, so we are supposed to write it in the x square term. Okay, so I wrote directly down right over here, that is x square, and then we are supposed to do the next term, that is minus x. So minus x into minus 3 is, first we shall do the signs. Okay, so the sign is minus, and here also minus, so minus into minus is plus. Okay, remember that plus, we got plus, and then 3 into x is 3x. Now so it is plus 3x, so let me write plus 3x, and then we have the next term as 1. So 1 into 3. First of all, let's do the sign. So the sign is plus and minus. So plus into minus is minus. So okay, minus, and then 1 into 3 is 3, and it is minus 3. So I am going to be writing down straight to that constant term. So the constant term here, it is plus 5. Okay, so now it's time to change its sign. Okay, now here we have minus, so we convert minus to plus, and here we have plus, we convert into minus, and here we have minus, That means we are supposed to do it, convert it into plus. Okay, so here 3x square has a new sign, that is plus. So plus 3x square and minus 3x square is 0. Okay, when we just subtract it, we get 0. So here 3x has got a new sign, that is minus. So minus 3x and plus 3x is 0. So we shall cancel this also. Okay, so here we have constant term. So 3 has got a new sign, that is plus. So plus into plus is, sorry, plus and plus is plus. That means we are supposed to add them up. So let us add 5 plus 3. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. So we got 8. Am I right? So we shall write the greatest numbers value. So here the greatest number is plus. Okay, why? Because 5 is the greatest number and the greatest number sign is plus. So we shall write plus. So finally we solved it. So now what we are going to do is we are going to be writing its quotient and remainder. Okay. Okay. Let me just write it. So quotient u of x is equal to, so what is the quotient? So the quotient is x square plus x minus 3. So it is x square plus x minus 3, and let's write the remainder. So remainder x is equal to, remainder is 8. Okay, so finally we found its remainder and the quotient. So finally we solved it. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Please like this video and help your friends by sharing this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Take care.